Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to the Stink Bug Works. We're coming to you today from the southern wing because the eastern wing is currently covered with Secret Project X. And in fact, this roll of 3/4 ounce fiberglass cloth is, in fact, part of Secret Project X. But that's not what I'm here to talk about today. I'm here to talk about the 1/20th scale hydro kits. I have two more going out to this guy right here. Now, this guy will recognize his name, but I'm covering it up just to keep his identity concealed. I don't like just putting people's ID out there. Anyway, in here is a short circuit kit and an Atlas kit. And since the kits themselves, it's just a piece of plywood. Since the kits themselves are fairly lightweight, I can ship two for the cost of one. So I have two short circuit kits left. I have 5 Atlas Van Line kits left. Once they're gone, once I've sold those last 7 kits, I can disclose Secret Project X. Now, Big B is going to be building one of the prototypes, and he will be no doubt doing a build series and a test series to see what happens. But I think you guys are going to get a kick out of Secret Project X because I'm boldly going where no one has gone before. Until next time, boys and girls, jet out.